Using Boolean algebra, simplify the following expression. First, we're going to distribute every single term from first parenthesis by the second parenthesis. I'm going to multiply every term from the first parenthesis by the second parenthesis. So I'm going to have b times b. I'm going to have b times b. b times b naught c. bc times b. And bc times b naught c. And I'm going to copy the third parenthesis. Next, I have to simplify this expression a little bit. b times b is b, or b and b naught is always 0. 0 and anything else is always 0. That's why this term is going to be equal 0. b times b is b. That's why I'm going to write this just b, c, and I'm going to have b times b naught is always 0. 0 times anything is going to give me 0. That's why I'm going to have 0. Don't forget that we're supposed to have parentheses over here. Okay? And everything is multiplied by b or d. From these two terms, I can factorize b. And I'm going to have 1 or c. I factorize b from these two terms. And I'm going to copy down everything whatever left. So I have b or d. 1 or anything is always equal 1. That's why I'm going to write b times 1, and I have b or d. So I'm going to have b, because b times 1 is always b, and I have b or d. I'm going to distribute this b into the parentheses. I'm going to have b or b d. b and b is always b or b d. I can factorize right now b, and I'm going to end up with b 1 or d. Anything or with 1 is always equal 1. That's why I have b times 1. b and 1 is equal b. And this is my solution.